So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a Twitter card for free online. If you have zero knowledge about the same, you can directly generate it just by typing things. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for web tools webcode.tools. You can see the right URL if I pronounce it wrong, and once you do that, here you can see this option which says Twitter X card generator. Just simply tap over there, and here you are multiple applications available for you. Can just simply click on app or player or summary. Let's just simply click on this app, for example. Now here there are multiple operations for you to done, and it will directly generate the real-time X card, the Twitter card right here, that you can copy and use anywhere you want. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.